Yeah, welcome to Kelo TV. Today's video is all about app. We're going to create an app MP4 video player, media player. So simple. The example of this app, I'm going to take you here to Google Play Store, where you can see the example of the app we want to create. So this is an app for media player. I think this should not be a new video like a media. Everybody has that on his phone. So for you to create an app like this, not only to create but also show you how you'll be able to monetize and make money out of the app. So as you all know, I guide how to create and also how to make money as well out of what you are learning. Okay, so this is the media player, which you can see it has 100 million downloads, so which you can know that this app has more users. So here you can go. I want to show you other examples. You can see this is another one here, this is another one. So let's check. So that is how you do the same thing. You can upload your app. Here you can see it has 100,000 okay downloaders. So this, you can see, this is how the app is. So our own app, we use DeepSeek to write this code to create an app for us. So here, if you look, you see the command prompt which I use. Yeah, if you need, I can also give you the same thing or tell you what you do to get the same similar, because any command prompt you use, that is what will be for you, because based on how you added the features, like you can see on my own here, you can see upload or load mp4 video from local storage. So if you didn't have this, the DeepSeek cannot give you that, that's what you're looking for. So make sure you had all the features you needed. So here you can see custom play and pause button, and the volume, you can see all of that, and then the full screen that you can see is here as well. So this is how it works. So after getting the code, this is how it looks like. It has a button where it says upload mp4 video. So here, once you click, it's going to ask you to upload select the media player which you want to play the video with our app. Okay, so here you can see it's loading. So here you can see these are all the videos I have here. So anywhere you select, you click open, it open automatically here. Once you click play, you see it start playing. So this is how to create this app. Okay, so you can see very clean, and it has high volume as well, so which you can see it has high volume. Okay, very fine. Okay, so after you have the code, the next step, you should do copy the code. If you have anything to add, you can talk to the DeepSeek AI. It's also going to still rebuild the app based on what you are asking to be added on the code. So here we go to AppCreator24, where you need to also create an account here, and you be having access to create an app. Okay, here you go, you click on create app button. Okay, you wait while it's open. So here, this is where you put the name of the app. So you can see, let's put the name of the app. So it's a mp4 media player or media, anyone, you can, how you want to name it. Okay, so here we go, and here you upload the icon of the, okay, and here I put the same thing. Here we go to next, but for you, you can take your time to put a good description. So that's how it works. So here, from here we can go to create an empty app, because we can customize. So here we can copy our code. So here we can go to app manager. So this is our URL. While we are building, we have our URL ready. Okay, so here we go to section, you click on create new section, and here you create an HTML, and here you go to entire direct HTML, and here we go next, and here we remove all the code here, and we had our code which we copied from DeepSeek, that is the hub code. So here we can put the same mp3 video player, anyway you want to name it, and that is it. So now we save it, and so after being successfully create the app, the next step is to monetize, which I always guide. You go to the general, you go to the name and icon, you go down below on your AdMob account, you go to create. Okay, you had a new app, and here you had the name of the app. That is where you get this code from here, and there's also another option going with Unity Ad as well. You can monetize your app with Unity Ad or with AdMob. Okay, so here you can see it's asking which of the platform the device. So for me it's Android. Okay, you click, and then your app, is it published on App Store? No. So later on, after we finish setting it up, after your app has been live, you can come back to your app section where you can click on the your app will show here, here, where you click on the app, and you go to the settings where you see settings. So here you're going to copy here. This is where you copy your app ID. So that is how it works. Okay, so once you link here, this one, you save changes and you move to ads section. Here, this is where you going to create all the banner ads for all the banner types you want to add. Here you can see the banner. This one you can see the video rewarded ad as well. Every other ones you go, you create and you put. Once you finish, you click save, and you're good to go. So when you finished, it's time to download, and it's time to download your app and publish it on any of the app store. So if you don't know how to do that, I will link another video below this one, how to upload as well. So in this video, I only show you how you can monetize and how you can create the app. That's all. So the next video I will be dropping down is for you to upload it to App Store. While you wait, your App Store is going to approve your game. Once it's approved, you come back to AdMob and tell AdMob that your app is live on App Store. By then, maybe after 24 hours or 1 day, you see that AdMob will activate ads on your app. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop it down. I will be here always to help to guide you. Let's grow together. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.